This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, just a quick check. Am I audible to you guys right now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
you are audible.
Mukesh, you're audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. I guess the earphone is not working in GoToMeeting. Okay, guys, so everyone was facing some issues while joining.
Yes, sir, lot of.
Okay. Can you tell me like what was the issue?
We were unable to join.
Okay, again, it's not coming. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so guys, can you hear me clearly? Please tell me yes or no with a loud voice, please.
Mukesh,
Yeah.
Saurabh here. Your voice is actually breaking in between.
Yes. Voice is breaking.
This is breaking. Is it for everyone or only with Saurav?
And no, your voice was breaking for me also.
Everyone.
Okay, let me rejoin once again.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
it's fine and clear, Mukesh. You can start.
This conference will now be recorded.
Yes.
Okay. So, one, wait a minute. Because actually the thing is, I have joined from my office. The party was little boring, so I thought maybe I'll attend this. Okay. So don't mind, but
Okay.
I, yeah. So there are people in the background. That's the reason there will be disturbance.
No issues. No issues.
One second. Okay. So
Are you sharing the screen?
yeah, Mukesh. One second. How do I? Okay. Got it. Um, yeah. I'm actually just trying to search that Excel file. Or else, wait a minute. It should be here. Okay, got it. Yeah, got it here.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yeah. So now is it visible?
Yes, from starting, from the first class.
Okay. So, yeah. So the basics we learned, that is the basic calculation graphic tool pivot tables. Sorry, we didn't go through pivot tables. After that, we also learned that there are many more functions over here, right? I might miss out, but just correct me in between. Mukesh, right? Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Um, Fine. Okay. We also went through 360 view of the MS Excel file. That is the Excel screen, title bar, tabs, ribbons. Then we have this formula bar, name box, a worksheet, and the whole thing is workbook. The scroll bar over here, zoom in and zoom out, columns, this columns and rows like this, and control S for save, paste, print, and control E for that flash fill. After that, we went through an exercise wherein we had to divide the pin codes with the addresses, the pin codes and the address separately. Okay, so we wrote it manually, and then we pressed Control E to scroll down, flash fill all the remaining ones, right?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. So the next part is we learned about relative reference. That is, okay, there is something which I can show here, how we are calculating this. It is, yeah. Okay, so relative reference means basically the formula takes a relation to the previous cell, as in if we go down and again see, this is the cell it is taking to calculate. Okay, again here, this is the thing. And if we see absolute reference here, and so this, right? So if we just do this, and if we see how it is getting calculated, these are the things, right? As in, this first cell is relative, it is changing, and the second one, second part of the formula, due to the dollar sign, it is fixed, that is 18%. Okay, so that is the absolute reference. Then the next part we learned is the table and utility. Okay, so we also learned that there's a table, like there's a option in Excel called as tables. Okay, and we can also use all the functions like filter, sorting, coloring, whatever, formatting without a table as well. But the advantage of using a table is it is a dynamic data. Basically, if we add on here anything like, let's just do this. Matlab, wait, let's just copy this and add. Okay, so here if you see on the right, it is getting added on automatically, these things,
Okay.
because this is right now in a table. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, for now we learned only this one part, and many more you will be teaching us. The charts part, which was created through the table, that was a dynamic chart again, because
Mm-hmm.
table is a dynamic in nature. Okay,
Okay.
and if we take the raw data and create a chart, and if we add to the data, it doesn't get updated in the chart. So that was something very good to learn. So yeah, we didn't we just actually we didn't go through this part, the charts, because it is about the different designs of the charts. So I think we didn't cover up this. We went through this one. uh, the, you showed two examples. One was raw data, one more was tables, and the table was dynamic. Like if we just add on one more year with the projected sales, it gets added on the chart. So yeah, that's all I remember till now. Yeah, that's
Okay.
it from my side.
Amazing. Amazing. This was really amazing. First of all, hats off to you, Saurav, that you are in a party right now and still you are attending the session.
And that was very boring. So I thought it's better to
Okay.
attend this.
Okay, our classes are interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. So, guys, can we have of a round of applause for Saurav, please, everyone? Guys, you can unmute yourself and you can clap for him.
Okay, okay.
Hey, thank you guys. Thank you.
No, it was fantastic, Saurabh.
Definitely, definitely. It was really amazing the way you have explained everything and you remember everything. So, guys, this is a power of something called storytelling. Even if you don't remember the process, even if you don't remember how to do that particular thing, but you remember the particular process over here, the particular story through which we started, and we are going to take it forward right now. So, I'm just going to share my screen. Just let me know my screen is visible to everyone. And I hope so everyone must have received one particular file from Sanchita ma'am.
Yeah, yet we have received
Yeah.
right
You
now.
guys have received. Okay. Right now. Okay. All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. So we started as Saurabh was discussing this. So we started with this introduction 360 view we have done. We have done one exercise of flash fill, control E, relative absolute reference we have done. Absolute reference we are going to get with a dollar symbol. Then tables and utility. Why do we make tables in MS Excel and what is the utility of a table in MS Excel? Okay, let's start with the next part. Everyone open this particular file. I'm just giving you 2 minutes, everyone, or just 1 minute. Okay. So just type ready in the chat box if you guys are ready. Open this particular file and type ready in the chat box.
So again,
Okay.
I cannot send
Fine.
to everyone here, not showing me that option.
Yeah, maybe there is some like option of go to meeting. Okay. It have like
Yeah.
maybe the company
I've
have
opened it,
like
no
set some.
worries. I've opened it.
Okay. So I guess Saurav is ready, Fani is ready, Rahul is ready, Sayed is ready. What about others? Shipra is ready. Okay. One more, Soumya. Okay, Soumya, are you there with me? Unmute yourself, Soumya. Soumya, you can unmute yourself. Okay, I guess she cannot hear. Let me take Shipra. Shipra, are you there?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Yes, who's this?
Hello, Soumya here.
Soumya.
Sorry,
Okay,
sir.
Soumya. Can
Network
you hear
issues. That's
properly?
why. Yes,
No
sir.
worries.
Network issue. That's why, sir. Okay.
No worries. We are late 1 hour by network issues. We are just 1 minute late. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. So, Soumya, so you are doing this particular course. Which is your dream company right now? Like, where do you want to work?
Don't know, sir. Still now, I search for a good company. That is my goal. That's all my goal. I don't know which company is best. I don't know, sir.
Okay, so I'm taking one company called Mukesh Poddar Private Limited. Are you going to work for
Okay.
me?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, let's take a good company. Let's not take some companies like this. Let me take Facebook.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so everyone is aware like Facebook is a data company. Okay, so
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
is one line that is always said: data is the new oil. Data is the new oil.
Yeah.
Why?
Yes, yes.
Can anyone tell me, like, why data is a new oil?
Yeah, Mukesh, Saurabh here. Obviously,
Yeah.
because if you have the data, only then we can target our advertisement and sell our products to the
Hmm.
customer. And
So everything is all about this only. But why it is called
yeah,
oil? Like,
uh, it is like without data, you do not have a visibility of anything. Like even if there is a new product to be launched, we need the if it would be best if we have the market research on it, like how it will work. Like okay, let's take example of Myntra. How it works is right now there are more sellers which experiment and launch new products. Okay, so it's an insider thing. Like even on Flipkart also it happens, in Amazon also it happens. The highest selling product, Amazon, Flipkart, and all these e-commerce sites, they sell it under their own brand as a competitor with a little lesser price. So that is again a part of the data.
mhm,
If they do not have the data, then they cannot make profits on that.
correct. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the one reason data is the new oil. Okay. So let's assume that Soumya is working right now in Facebook. So there are many companies who are like data companies. We can take Google, we can take Facebook, WhatsApp, then we can take Tesla. All are data driven company, basically. Now, Soumya, you are getting this sales record. This is a date on which the particular products was sold. These are the names of the vendors. These are some invoice number that is given to you. These are the quantities that has been sold. These are the rates that has been decided, and you have to find the amount and total. How we are going to do that? Soumya, the first thing, tell me. Tell me, Soumya. Okay, again a network issue. Anyone else who can just tell me like how we can calculate? Raise your hand. Leaving Saurav again. Guys, come on, 24 members. Only Saurav is going to reply again. Saurav and Raka. Not even funny. Someone new. Someone new. Someone new. Not Saurav, not Raka, not Fani, not Sayed. Anyone new? What about Ayush Chaturvedi? Ayush.
Hello, it's Sayed here. I'm not audible, or am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
But your voice is not coming to us clearly, to me.
It's not coming clearly, guys. I hope so. Now the
Yeah, it's
problem
not
must have been sorted.
not coming
Uh,
clearly to me.
No, you are audible clearly.
you're audible, Mukesh.
Maybe it was issue with with my network.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So let me take Ayush Chaturvedi. Ayush, are you there? On a count of five, four, three, two, one. Okay, I'll just write your name, Ayush, because you're not replying. Let me take someone else. Uh, Tanima, are you there? Remember that your points are also being noted when you are replying to me. Okay, Tanima,
Am I
on a
audible,
count of
sir?
five. Yes, yes, you're audible. Tell me how we can calculate the
Yeah.
amount.
We can multiply that quantity with the rate.
So equal to what would be my formula?
Hello.
Equal to
Equal to,
uh, F F6
okay,
multiplied
okay,
with G6.
okay. We are getting zero. Okay, so nothing is there, zero. And I want to calculate in all these cells how I can calculate this.
You can drag that.
I can drag it down.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So this was the one way, everyone. Okay. So as we were
Hello.
discussing, when we guess who's this?
This side is Chaturvedi.
Yes, Ayush, I'll ask you afterwards. Don't worry.
Yeah, actually, right now I'm in the office, so
Okay, all right.
mm,
So
thank you.
now what we are going to do, we will see a different way. We were discussing that we were having more than 500 plus formulas. Okay. So now what is this formula all about? So the people who knows about formulas and all, it's okay. But let's see who people who do not know about it. We will type equal to, everyone type equal to anywhere, okay? And just types SUM. So I hope so everyone knows what is the meaning of sum. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah. Yep.
Yes.
Everyone knows the meaning of sum. Okay. So we will try with sum and then we'll go with the different formulas. So first what we will do equals F6 multiplied by G6, enter. We will click and we will drag it down till 92 over here. Till here everyone do and just tell me that you guys are ready. Be fast guys, be fast. Ready everyone?
Yeah, ready.
One is ready. What about
Ready.
others? Two. Come on, guys. This is a very small thing. Equals F6 into G6, enter. I hope so everyone is ready on a count of five, four, three, two, one. What is happening with this batch? Guys, are you
Ready, sir.
doing this or not?
Yes, Mukesh, we are doing it.
Okay. So, some female who was saying that it was ready for her. Who was she?
Yeah, me,
Yeah, it's
Shipra
me.
this side.
Your name?
Shipra.
Shipra. Okay. Okay, Shipra. So till here you have done this. Now I am
Yeah.
asking you to calculate the total of it. Okay. The total of
Yeah.
this amount with the plus symbol by giving plus symbol. How we can do that? Equal to,
Equal to, we have to then select this cell H6 and then colon.
no colon,
We
just
can,
like this. Only by giving
and we
this
can,
symbols.
yeah, okay, then we can drag to H16.
Okay, so equal to you're saying H6. We cannot drag anything. We just have to give it the symbols. So
Okay,
what we
that
have to
means we
do
have to
H6
select, yeah,
individually, correct?
individually.
Just check everyone when you are selecting individually what answer you guys are getting. Let's see who comes first over here.
Oh, sir, 6870019.67.
Your
Yeah,
name?
680019.67
Sir.
and Sayed. Yes, sir.
Syed. And Syed and who was the one?
Rahul Singh, sir.
Rahul Singh. Amazing. Great. So everyone is getting 6870019.67 and so on. Now, this is a good way. But over here again, there is a small number. We can do the calculations. But when there is a large number, what we should be doing? Then we cannot apply these functions. Okay. Then we cannot apply these functions. We have to use something called the formulas, inbuilt formulas of MS Excel. So what is happening in MS Excel? There are various formulas. 500 plus formulas are there, and different formulas can do different tasks. Like we are going to use over here. So Shipra, again you can unmute yourself. I'll take your help.
Yeah. Yeah.
Equals in the last cell.
Yeah. Sum.
Okay. So to activate any formula or like to start any formula, we have to use, we know, equal to button we have to type. So we will write SUM, the first one. Everyone is getting something like this, SUM.
Yeah, getting. It's Sayed.
Don't do anything, just till here. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, yes, Mukesh.
Okay. Now understand one thing. Whenever you are going to type any type of formula, you will get the meaning of the formula over here. If I am in this particular part, that is some part, it is saying me adds all the numbers in a range of cell. So these are my individual cells and this is the range. If I select, if I select all the numbers, it will add all the numbers together. That means this is a addition formula. Okay. Now, Shipra, you have to tell me, say for example, there is a wallet inside your Almira, okay,
Yeah.
and there are two gates. If you want to take out the wallet, do you have to open one gate or both the gate, or you can just open one gate and take out your wallet?
I think I have to open both the gates.
You have to open both the gates. Okay. Let's take one example more. Say for example, we are using Geo networks. I'm not promoting any product. We are using networks and we have a prepaid system. So whenever we are going to do the recharge, then only we are going to get the service, or we are going to service before and then we can recharge.
Yeah, either of the options.
No, we are having the prepaid service only. So do
Yeah,
we
we
have to
will
recharge
recharge.
first?
Yeah, recharge first, and then
Yes,
after that, we can use the services.
correct. So we have to recharge first and we have to activate it. We have to activate the particular device and then only it will give us the service over there. Correct?
Correct.
Very simple for everyone. Okay. Yes or no? Till here, everyone is clear. Guys,
Yes,
yes or
Yes,
sir.
sir,
no?
clear.
Everyone.
Yeah,
Sir,
Mukesh.
clear.
Now, when you're using MS Excel and you are typing equal to SUM, if you click enter, you will get an error. That is hashtag name. That means you have to activate this particular formula. How you can activate this formula? Anyone is aware about it? How we can activate the formula?
Uh,
By
Yes,
open bracket.
yes, yes.
Open bracket, sir.
By open bracket. Okay, that is a one thing.
Yeah, one
Yes,
more
sir.
option is you can press tab button.
Yes, that is a sensible option. So just type everyone SUM and click on tab. Just see automatically your bracket would be open. Just try this till here, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, I tried.
It's working. Now
Yeah.
understand this thing. This is the formula equal to SUM tab. The formula is activated. When the formula is activated, you gets an argument. Okay. Hear this properly. I will only repeat once. Now I have a dream that uh, I want to study in Harvard. I have a dream. Okay. Now to study in Harvard, say for example, I have to give GMAT exam. In that, I have to get 99.9 percentile. This is one criteria. And say for example, I should be having around 5 CR in my bank account. And also they are making a criteria that I should be having one Porsche. Okay. So say for example, this is a criteria that they are giving. Till here, everyone is okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Mukesh.
Now, understand this. I have 5 CR in my bank account, say for example, and I have a Porsche. But I do not have a 99.9 percentile in my GMAT examination. Does Harvard is going to take me?
No.
No. Someone must be thinking, yes, no. Now let's give you a good example. Say, for example, I want to study in IIM Ahmedabad. They are asking that in class 10 you must be having more than 95%. In class 12 you must be having more than 98%. And in your college, okay, you must be having more than 9 CGPA, something like this. And in your CAT examination, you must be having 99.99 percentile. Now just imagine, even if I cannot complete one criteria also, are they going to take me in IIM Ahmedabad? Yes or no?
No.
No, sir.
Not at all.
No, no.
Now it is clear to everyone. So here also what is happening when we are typing equal to sum and tab these numbers. So after bracket, whatever things are coming, these are called arguments. These are called arguments. And in any function or any formula, if you are getting an argument of 3 argument, 4 argument, 5 argument, you have to satisfy that argument, or else they will not give you the admission, or else they will give you the wrong answer. I hope so everyone is clear till here. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Now, when I'm activating the sum formula over here, it is asking me number one. So, which is my number one, guys? Tell me. Tell me the cell number.
H6.
H6.
H6. So, I will click on H6. Now, you cannot do class 12 and then class 10. You cannot do class 12, then 10, and then college. You have to go to first class 10, 12, and then college. That means there is a step of going up again and again. What? You have to pass the exam, then only you can go up. So here also, from one argument, if you want to go to the second argument, you have to use comma as a separator. Just try this, everyone. So just can you see number two is highlighted right now? My
Yes.
number two is
Highlighted.
H7, comma. Number three is number three is
Highlighted, sir.
H8.
H8,
H8. H8.
Highlighted,
Number four.
H10,
highlighted.
H9.
So we can do this infinity time. Just see what calculations you are getting after doing the total. Okay, just
Same answer.
select the numbers like this. Just select the numbers like this. H6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And don't do anything. Ready?
Yes, ready.
Now,
Ready.
Say for example, Raka, you are staying in a hotel. Okay, you are going to Manali. You are going in a good cottage, and they have given you one wardrobe, and you are keeping some money and dresses and everything.
That
It
is
is again
yes.
two doors.
Okay.
Now, if you are opening one door to take out any of your jacket or wallet or money, are you going to just leave the wardrobe door like that, or you are going to close the wardrobe door and you will go?
No, I will close the door and then only I'll go.
You will close the door and then only you will go. Now, say for example, you are opening one gate from right hand side, the second gate from the left hand side, and now you are in a hurry. So what you will do, you will only just close the left door, but you will not close the right door.
No, I won't do that.
You won't do that. So here also in MS Excel, see we have opened one bracket. Everyone can see after some.
Yes.
So here also we will close one bracket with shift and zero. Shift and zero, we will close the bracket. The number of times we are opening the bracket, the number of times we will close the bracket. In the same way, the number of times we are opening the doors of our Almira, we have to close that many number of times. Now click on enter and just see what value you guys are getting.
Six
Come
eight
sir.
seven zero
Six
zero
eight
one nine
seven
point
double
six.
zero 19.67.
19.67.
Everybody is getting the same thing. Okay. Now, the twist over here is okay, few people know, few people do not know. So, here again, like selecting these numbers again and again is a tedious task, is a boring task. Like Saurav is not liking his office party, the same way it is a very boring task. So, what we will do, we will delete this, everyone. Just type equal to with me, Shipra, equal to,
Yeah, just a second.
unmute your sum,
Yeah, equal
equal
to
to sum tab.
yeah,
Say, for example, we are having a mouse. What we will do basically, we will click from H6 and we will drag it down till H15. So you can see the range. This dancing bar, the blue portion, this is called a range. This is called a range. We will close the bracket and we'll click on enter. Everyone is getting 6870019.67.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It's a
Okay.
yes.
Now what happens? You do not have a mouse. Now let's see how we can do that. Shipra, you can delete this particular part. Type equals,
yeah.
unmute
Just a
yourself,
second,
please.
Mukesh. Just a second. Yeah, Mukesh.
Equals sum tab.
It's
Yeah,
Click on up arrow key. Right now you can see you are in cell number H15.
correct.
Now you have to select till what? Till H6 to H15,
6,
correct?
correct.
mm,
What we will do, we will again apply that particular trick that we have used yesterday. So with the left hand, control button, shift button, and up arrow button. Has it selected till
Yeah,
amount?
yeah. Selected till amount.
Yes. Yes.
Now understand this thing. If I add 2 plus 2, it will give me the value. If I add Mukesh plus Poddar, Excel is not going to give me the value. So we have to remove this amount also from here. How we will do? Let's see who thinks very logically. Very simple thing. How just to remove that amount part?
of single word.
Just to remove the amount part. How? Shipra?
Yeah, Mukesh. I think we need to select. on the left hand side. When we selected
No,
this
no.
column, no?
Just you do shift arrow down.
Shift arrow down. Yeah, done.
Close the bracket, shift 0 and enter.
Yeah, 6870019.67.
Everyone getting the same way. So how we are going to calculate the sum of any value? We will do equals. Shipra with me. Okay, you have to be
Yeah,
fast. Equals
on.
sum,
SUM
tab,
tab up arrow key,
shift
only
control
up arrow
plus,
key.
yeah,
No, control plus shift plus up arrow key. You will leave
yeah.
control, shift arrow down, shift 0 and enter.
Oh, it's not working.
Yes, done. Done, Mukesh.
Done. So guys, basically this is all about the practice. Okay. So you can see like if I'm doing it over here and I want to do the calculation, I will do sum tab. Just see it's just with the practice and everything would be clear to you. Now we have seen so many methods to do the calculations. Okay. Just delete this particular part, Shipra, the 68700.
Yeah, Mukesh.
Okay. Everyone, this is for everyone, not only for Shipra. Just see both of your hands, okay? Your fingers must be open, okay? Just see what is the difference in both of the hands. Just see that. Is there any difference in our hand, like left hand and right hand?
No.
Just check once again. Your left hand, just see back side, right side, front side, anything. Just see any difference in our left hand and right hand. Which is the most valuable thing in our hand? So if I see our palm, which is the most valuable thing?
Thumb. Thumb.
Thumb. Why thumb? Raka, you are right.
To hold things. Without the thumb, it is very
Correct.
tough to hold things.
Correct. Without thumb, it is very tough. Even we cannot hold the things. We will not have a grip. Everyone can just try. I know few people would be trying right now. So just take out the left thumb, put your right finger, the index finger, and try to hold things. You will not have the grip. So now your left hand and right hand look same. Both the hands are same, but if you will see very minutely, your left hand thumb is tilted towards left and your right hand thumb is tilted towards right. Just see this, guys. Yes or no?
No,
Yes,
sir.
Can't
a little bit.
understand.
Yes, sir.
Can't
Can't
understand.
understand. Okay. Again saying, see your hand. Okay. If you see your
Hmm.
left hand, left thumb, try to
Hmm.
take it in right. Try to take it in
Hmm.
right. It won't go. It will only go
Hmm.
in left.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And same with the right hand, it will not go in left.
Hmm.
That means your left hand thumb is tilted towards left and right hand thumb is tilted towards right. Okay.
Yes.
Everyone agreeing, yes or no, guys?
Yes, agreed.
Yes, yes, I
Yes, sir.
agree.
Now just see on your keyboard, you would be having two control and two alts. Two controls and two alts.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. But both the controls and both the alts have a different function. How many of you know about this? Guys, I told you this is not a normal classroom training. This is a corporate training, okay? So I generally teach all my fellow mates or students or friends, you can say, in the same way where you apply things in the corporate world. if you see the left of the left hand side of the spacebar, there would be one control, and directly on the left hand side of a spacebar, there is one alt. On
Yeah.
the right hand side also is alt and then control. Now, the makers of the keyboards are not so dumb that they are going to give two alts on the left hand side of the keyboard spacebar also and on the right hand side also. There must be few reason behind this. So, Shipra, go to this place where the total is there. Go fast.
Yeah, yeah, I'm there.
Okay, on the right hand side of the spacebar, there is one alt button. Click that alt.
Yeah, the home, it has selected the home and highlighted it.
No, no. The alt that is there on the right hand side of the spacebar.
I think I have to do with function FN alt.
Just do that. Alt plus equal to. Just type that. Alt
Just a second, alt.
plus equal.
Yeah, the whole,
What is happening?
it
Screen
will
is increasing.
automatically, yeah, automatically selected from H6 to H15.
Are you using alt on the left hand side of the spacebar or right hand side?
No, right hand side.
It cannot be happen. It cannot happen that if you use alt and equal to on the right hand side.
Sorry to interrupt, Mukesh. Actually, in mine, the
Yes.
screen is increasing, but I never know why that
Yes,
happens.
Yes,
it
same
will
here.
increase the screen.
Yeah, but why?
Alt, see, I'll tell you. Shipra, just check. It cannot happen that if you are using alt on the right hand side of the spacebar, it will give you the summation. So basically, the left hand side of the spacebar, if you click alt and equal to, you will get some formula. Everyone
Let
just
me
try
see.
that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what
No,
is
I'm
this? And
not
you can click on
getting.
enter. I am coming to you. Wait. Everyone use alt equal to and see you would be getting the answer over here.
687
Yes
double
or no,
zero.
everyone?
Yes.
So what is equal to? Basically, we were doing summation. Okay, we were giving the formula, but the shortcut for summation is alt plus equals. Which alt we have to use? We have to use that is there on the left hand side of the spacebar. Now, if we use right hand side of the spacebar, alt and equal to, it will just increase the
Understand?
size of our screen. This is the function of this. Getting this, guys? Yes or no?
Yeah, I'm getting Sayed.
I did not get it,
Yes, sir.
Mukesh.
Yes, Shipra. Tell me.
I'm
So you're using
confused
a
here.
laptop or a yeah, you're
Yeah,
using a laptop or a computer?
laptop,
Laptop. Which laptop is that?
HP.
HP. Okay. So Alt is there on the left hand side of the keyboard also and right hand side of the keyboard also, correct?
Correct.
Go on this particular part,
On the total part, right?
on the total part.
Yeah, I'm there.
On the left hand side of the space bar, press the Alt button and press
Yeah,
equal to. What is
yeah.
happening?
The sum has been there.
Okay,
It has
just click
automatically
escape.
selected.
Correct.
Yes.
Now just click
Yeah.
escape and now press the Alt that is on the right hand side of the space bar and click the Alt button.
Still, it is giving me the sum.
Still it is giving you this sum.
Or should I
Then I guess some
do it
yes.
with function alt and equal to? No, it is giving me sum again.
I
Actually,
have to
what are
check
you
this.
trying?
Maybe what
What are
I
you
am trying
trying
to
to
say
saying?
that
The alt, yeah, right alt with equal to will increase the size
the
space, right?
size of the screen, correct.
Size of the screen. Okay.
Yes. And on the left
Mm,
hand side, it will give you the summation.
Okay, it is not happening with my laptop.
Maybe some function is activated. That is why it is not happening. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's move
Yes,
maybe.
forward.
FN.
We'll check it afterwards. Yes,
Okay.
someone is saying something.
Right, Sayed. You can use. She can use FN plus alt plus equal to.
I
If
have
it's
tried
if
this.
it's not work. Okay.
It will not work. It will not work. I'll check it afterwards. So what is summation formula, guys? Excel sum function adds all the numbers in a range of cells and returns the result. The sum function is an inbuilt function of MS Excel that is categorized as a math function or trigonometry function. As a worksheet function, the sum function can be entered as a part of formula in the cell of a worksheet. So how we can do the summation? If someone is asking me to do the summation, how I can do that? One way is that plus, okay, so equals this cell plus this cell plus this cell. This is a tedious task. We will not use that. So what we will do, equal to sum tab, we will go to number 1, comma, number 2, comma, number 3, again tedious tasks. We will not do that. So equal to sum, we will do tab. With the help of a mouse, we will select the number, close the bracket, enter. We will get the answer. Say for example, we are not having the mouse, equal to sum, tab, up arrow key, control shift up arrow key, shift arrow down, close the bracket, enter. We don't want to do all these things. We will do alt equal to enter. That's it. I hope so. Everyone is clear till here.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, now, so when we talk about Excel, okay, if we want to do the plus, if we want to do minus, if we want to do division, and if we want to do multiplication. In Excel, there are few formulas for addition that is called sum formula. I hope so everyone is clear with this sum formula now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
For minus, Excel do not have any formula. For division, Excel do not have any formula. But for multiplication, it has a formula. Can you name me the formula? Anyone
Some
is aware
product.
about the formula?
Some
Only
product.
product.
Okay.
Only product. Okay, only product. Only product. So the same thing, the same calculations we can do with the product formula. Okay. But you will see everyone, there is a change in the answer. Okay. There is a change in the answer and you will be shocked to see this. Alt equal to and here alt equal to. Can you see this, guys?
Yeah.
There is a change in the answer.
Yeah.
This hardly people knows about it. Let's see. Okay, let's see how. Let's take a number. Okay, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. In one part, we will apply the symbol. Okay, and in the other part, we'll apply product formula. Shipra, you can be with me.
Yeah, Mukesh.
Just type like this: symbol, product, and these two, three.
Yeah, just a sec. Yeah,
Done?
yeah, done.
Okay. Now, in the first part, if we are doing symbol, how we will do equal this cell into this cell
Into,
and enter.
yeah,
Are you getting 4?
yes.
Everyone getting 4?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will use the product formula. Okay. So we will write equal to what we are going to write, Shipra?
Product.
PRO. We do not have to write full. We can see that the product is coming in the second part. So we can use arrow down button. what is the description that is written over here? Can you read for me, Shipra?
Yeah, product, open bracket, number one, comma.
No, no, no. What is the description that is written in my screen?
Yeah, there are
Multiples all the number given as a
multiple of
argument.
Correct. We will to activate the formula, we have to use which particular button?
tab.
Tab. Now, which is my number one? Cell number is I2. I want to jump from
Right.
one argument to another argument. I should use which particular symbol?
Abstract.
No. I'm in argument number one. I want to go to argument
Comma,
number two.
comma.
Comma.
Comma. Correct. I have opened one door to take out my wallet of my Almira. Do I have to close the another door? The first door.
Yes.
Yes.
How I
Shift
can close the door?
zero.
Shift
Shift
zero.
zero.
Shift plus zero and enter. Everyone is getting four.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you
Yes,
can
sir.
see like in both the multiplication and symbols and product also we are getting 4 and 4. And this is truth only, like if we multiply 2 into 2, it must be having 4 only. But here is the trick. Just change 1 2 into 1, the number 1. Just see what you guys are getting. Are you still getting 2 and 2?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Change it to 0 and 0. Are you getting 0 and 0?
Yes.
Okay. Just delete 0 and 0 also. What are you guys getting? What you
2.
guys are getting? In symbol,
In
are
the
you getting
first,
0?
yeah, in product two.
This is a problem with MS Excel, which hardly people knows, and they calculate with the product formula also, and sometimes they calculate with this function also. So what is happening when we are applying the symbols, this particular, if the cell is blank, so there are two things in MS Excel that you should be knowing, that is true value and false value. Okay, true and false. So true means 1 and false means 0 in computer coding language. True over here means, sorry, yeah. So true means 1
Yes, sir.
and false means 0. So here Excel is taking it as false. But when there is an empty cell, when there is an empty cell and you apply a function or a formula like product, sum, and so on. If there would be an empty cell, it would be taking it as 1. I hope so everyone is getting this. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
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 sir.
yes, yes.
That is why equal to product when we were doing over here. So here, when we were applying the symbol, we were getting 0. 97 into 0 is 0. But 97 into 1 is 97. I hope so everyone is getting this, guys.
Yes, sir.
The reason why we are getting 97 and so on. Okay. Are we clear, guys? Are we clear?
Yes, clear, Mukesh.
Yes,
Yes.
Mukesh.
One more thing that I want to include in this thing. Just type in quantity, just type 10. See what values you guys are getting. Just type 10 and see what values you guys are getting. Are you getting 968.60?
Yes, Mukesh.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But in the rate, I am having 97. So 97 into 10 is 970.
No, because you would have rounded off the
Yes,
rates. Yeah.
yes, correct. So the rates, if you can see, when you click on rates, so what looks, I don't remember exactly. I have read Merchant of Venice in my class 10. All that glitters are not gold. You must have also read somewhere. All that glitters are
Yeah,
not
all good.
gold.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, it was in Merchant of Venice, Antonio, Portia, Bassanio, and so on. So here also, what looks is always not same in the back end, guys. What looks like anything, it is not always same in the back end. So here it is looking 97, but in the back end, the Asliyat or the correct value is 96.86, which I have rounded it off. How? You can go to home and you will get one number option over here. From here, you can just round it off and you can increase the decimal and decrease the decimal. Getting this, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Mukesh.
Till
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
anyone is having any problem? Because guys, I'll include all the small things over here. You don't have to worry. I'll like try to complete everything. Anyone having any issues till here?
No, no, no issues.
No issues. Okay. Anyone else who is having any issues? Just you can just stop me right now. No one. Okay. All right. So let's continue over here. So what was written over here? It was written unit price or like quantity. What was written over here in this particular head?
It was written as lots
Lot
purchased, and
purchased.
second one is
Lots.
price paid. Yeah. Second one is price paid oblique slash lots and in bracket dollars.
Okay. All right. You can delete this particular value.
Okay.
Okay. So when we are younger now, like I don't know about girls. Basically, for men's, I have seen this. When we are younger, when we are in college days and all, we like to do a lot of small businesses. Okay. Like it can be selling shoes, selling t-shirts, selling watches, or maybe good shoes, or any other thing. So say for example, when I was in my college, like I was doing some type of business to like get my extra income and all, and I was like doing it normally, and like made my company name as Shades of Life. I kept my company's name as Shades of Life. I was purchasing one product of 500 rupees. I was selling it as 4,500 rupees. I was literally doing this, okay, in my college days. So now just think that I am going to Surat, or you can say Ahmedabad or Vadodara. Now everyone knows Surat and Ahmedabad is famous for only two things. Tell me guys what it is famous for.
Diamonds.
Textile and diamonds.
Textile and diamonds.
Diamonds.
Okay, I know the spelling is wrong, just omit that, ignore it. Now, I'm not, as a student, I'm not in a position to sell diamonds, okay? But I can do some textile business. Textile business of what? Sari or kurti. That is the growing market in India. So what I did, I went to Surat once. I purchased one lot, okay, 100 pieces, and the price that I paid was 1200 per piece. I went to Surat for the second time. I purchased 500 pieces, and per piece I have purchased it for 1000 rupees. I went it for the third time, 250 purchased, and per piece was 1400. I went fourth time, 120 purchased, 1500 per piece. I want to calculate a plus price plus 10% profit. How I can get it? That means break even plus 10% profit. How I can get the value? I want to hear the logic behind this. Let's see who says.
Mukesh or here, are you waiting for raise of
Yes.
hands or can I speak?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, so for this case, we can just multiply the price with 10% increment. That is, if we just put 1200 into 1.1, we will get the 10% profit.
Okay. So let's see. First, I want to calculate the break-even price. How I can calculate that?
Okay, so break even, you can just multiply this to the lots purchased into 1200. The
Okay.
You can just put the formula C28 into D28. Yeah, and same for all. Yeah. Now adding 10%, you can just come to F28 and put this one E28 into 1.1. Yeah, that will give you 10% profit for all. You can just drag down. So 1.1 basically it is it's like
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to explain,
But
but
what
that
is my break-even? You are correct.
break
You are
even
correct. But what is my break-even price?
break even is this one E column E yeah, the E column 28 से लेके E28 से लेके around E31, those are the break even. So 1 lakh no 11 lakh 50,000 is your break even, the total.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, my break-even price per piece.
Acha, per piece you want. Okay, okay. So we will have to divide it by the total lot, the total pieces. That is, you have to make the total for C column. C32, just put alt
Yes.
equals and break even. You can just divide this E32 divide by this. Yeah. Ah, correct. So now again, it's up to you. You can add 10% here into 1.1, you will get the answer. Yeah, that one.
So let's see if we divide this and this. If we are getting 13.4, then means
Yeah,
your answer is right.
yes, yes. It has to be same. Yeah.
Okay. Amazing. So guys, I just want to ask you like whenever we are having any type of question, you can give your inputs. Why always there is Saurav, Shipra, then Sayed, and all these people are there? Why you guys are also not replying? It would be really good. This is class 6 or 7 maths, I'll tell you. Tomorrow we will discuss this, okay? Tomorrow we will discuss this, how we can use the formulas directly and how we have done this. And I will also talk about something called statistics. So tell me guys, what is the first moment in statistics? Let's see. What is the first moment in statistics?
First moment.
Mean.
First moment in statistics.
Mean, mean
Mean.
average.
Mean, mean average, okay. Same thing. Okay, what is the
Me,
second moment?
All of
First
here.
median.
quartile. First
Median.
quart. Sorry.
Raw
No,
moment. It's a Sayed here. Raw moments, central moments, non-central
no.
moment.
No, 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 no. Third moment?
Third quartile.
No.
Mode,
Fourth
right?
moment?
Yes.
Mode.
No, no, no,
Fourth
no, no,
mode.
no. So it's basically the first moment is mean, median, and mode.
Mode.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
The second moment is mean average deviation, variance, and
Standard
standard
deviation.
deviation.
Standard deviation.
The third moment is your skewness. The fourth
Skewness
moment is
and
your
kurtosis.
kurtosis.
got
Okay,
it.
so we will discuss this, how we are getting AM, GM, and HM and all, and how to just know our base. Once I'll tell you guys one thing really clearly. I don't know how to do maths, but my base is really strong. If you give me any type of sum, I'll just try to like figure it out how to multiply this, that, and I'll get to the answer. So what happens? This is not your fault. This is like teacher's fault, I'll say, because when we were in school, like they never used to taught us something like this. They used to come, take out the textbook, solve the problem, and everything was done. I hope so everyone has experienced something like this only with your English grammar also, I can say, and with mathematics also. Have anyone experienced something like this? Like the teacher is coming, taking out the notebook, solving the problem, and done.
Yeah.
No, my
Okay,
English
only
teacher was
one.
fantastic.
Okay, all right. My English teacher was somewhat like she used to come, she used to take out the exercise and all, and she used to do the exercise.
Oh,
Something was
oh,
like this.
okay. But my
Okay,
English
so
teacher was
okay, all right. No worries, guys, no worries. So we have completed this one part only today. As you can see, like we take so much of time. We have completed one part, but now we know the every method of calculating the summation part. Tomorrow we will start with the sum product and all, how we can use all the things. I will explain you about the main median mode and how we are getting AM, GM, and HM and so on. Then we will do this sum ifs, average, count, minimum, maximum, everything. And I'll tell you guys, even like if there is some network issues and we are even starting at 9 also, today we cannot exceed just because most of them are not aware. Even if we start at 9, we'll continue till 10:20 at least. We will continue till 10:20. I am just giving you the information before only so that nobody can say that I have a meeting or something else.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mukesh.
it's fine,
Mukesh.
Mukesh. It's fine.
Tomorrow I have a wedding, invitation. However, I'll try to join as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay, all right. If you are not coming, okay, you can see the recorded sessions.
Yeah, yeah, but I'll try to attend from through my phone if possible.
Okay, all right. Guys, I don't know, like I do really teach well like this, like you guys are attending leaving office parties and all
Yeah,
sort of.
yeah, seriously,
Yeah,
seriously.
Yeah,
Mukesh,
you're
seriously.
teaching great.
Like, your way of telling stories, no, it is very good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Storytelling
Okay, all
excellence.
right.
Storytelling.
Okay, I'll
Yes.
maintain this, guys. Don't worry about this. Yes, someone was saying something.
It's me, Sayed. Actually, if you don't mind, can I have your number?
No, no, no. So sorry, Said. Yeah, if you face
Okay.
any problem, okay, if you face any problem or in any question or anything, you text Sanchita ma'am directly. Sanchita ma'am will give me the problem and I will solve everything.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much. We are going to meet tomorrow sharp at 8 if there is no network issue. Even if there is a network issue, we will continue the class till 10:20. That's all
Yeah.
from my end. Thank you so much, everyone. Good night,
Okay.
everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
Good
Thank you.
night. Good night, sir.
Good
Thank
night.
you. Good night, Mukesh. Thanks.
Good night, Saurabh. Good night. Good night.